Hi, I would like to show you how to work with PrioArray real data type from PrioArray sublibrary from CAS Standard. So, PrioArray average? Here you are. So this block is extendable, so it has up to 6 inputs, and it counts average from enable inputs on the output. And this block doesn't have value 0 or value 0 enable, which was in previous blocks, and there is no possibility of forcing. It can be really useful, for example, for average of temperatures in your building or in your system, which are function. So, for example, let's have inputs like that, value 1, value 2, value 3, and so on. And actually the order is not important, there is only important how many inputs are enabled. So let's have 2, and let's enable that. So I can see that there is one active input, and the average value from one active input is 2. In case that I will put there value 2 and I enable also value 2 enable, so the average is still 2. In case that I enable number 3, so right now the average is 2 plus 2 plus 0 divided 3, which is 1.33333. Yeah, in case that I will put there back 2, so the average is 2. In case that I put there 8, or 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 5 divided 3 is 3. So this block calculates the average from inputs which are enabled. In case that I enable also number 5, so the average is 4. I usually connect to value enable the information about reliability of the sensor. If the sensor is not reliable, please don't count the average of the value. And that's it from PrioAvrgR real block. It's nice, isn't it?